Morning. Back at Cumberland. Kind of went down for a little bit of a journey towards the dam a ways. Found a few nice coves with rocks. So it's rainy, overcast today, maybe 74. The water is actually 75 degrees. Clarity, very clear. We had lots of rain the last 2 days. The coves and the creeks are all kind of cloudy. The main lake is real nice and clear, visibility maybe 15 feet. So today I'm using Sexy Shad rattle trap. And then a 2.5 inch torpedo, top water. It's cloudy all day, top water all day, you bet. And then off the rocks, I'm fishing 30 feet of water, kind of cliffs, boulders on the side. You can see boulders underwater. Super deep diver, Sexy Shad. And then my finesse jig. I'm using both 1/8 ounce and 3/8 pumpkin, green pumpkin color, with a creature bite, a crawl pumpkin also, and I'm using my sauce. I think it's actually that's a big bite crawl. It's actually very deadly out here. That is their color. So I'm gonna comb around a little bit, but I have to tell you, this morning, as usual, I make a few casts just before I get things ready, and of course my camera wasn't ready. So I'm talking first cast I hooked up, and the third cast. Third cast right here. That is a beauty. That is a beauty. That's what I come out here for. This is a nice fish. That is a nice smallmouth. So, and that was a heck of a fight, let me tell you right now. This thing did not come off the bottom. I was fishing in 34 feet of water, jigging to the cliffs, the big boulders, and he was right behind a boulder. So, got him. I'm going to put him back where I caught him. Anyways, let's go get some more. Alright, this is about where I got this big guy. So I'm going to put him back in the same spot, so someone doesn't steal it from him. He must have been holding on to it for a long time, so take another peek at him. That is a beautiful bronzeback right there. That's a Cumberland Lake bronzeback. All right, see you later, buddy. Oh, there's a nicer fish. I got him on a Sexy Shad rattle trap. Heading off the point. Good smallmouth. Boy, look at your colors. You were deep, boy. You were deep. No, relax. Little smallmouth. Keep you in the game. Sexy Shad rattle trap. Alright, come here. There's smallmouth. Got a little sexy shad bite right here. Ooh. It's a good spot right here. That's a good spotted bass right there, boy. Ugh. Hey, 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 hey. Easy weasy. Yeah. It's a good little spotted bass right there. It's going. Get back in there, boy. Fishing on the inside of this little point. Main lake is about 50 feet away, just a point coming out. The wind's kind of coming around spotted bass. The wind's kind of coming around the main lake into this little cove here, kind of pushing the bait fish, the shad, up against the side. Holy moly, boy. Oh, you know what this is? Got my stupid net. Got my stupid net. Why does one carry a broken net? There you go, walleye. That is a cool fish. And he's got some teeth on him too, boy. Just chill out. Nice little walleye. Good fish. All right, let's go back. So what I'm fishing now is this little island. Got a point coming out. It's 25 or so feet to the right offshore. The point comes out, it's only about 5-6 feet deep. Then it's 50 feet deep right here. So it comes straight up. And these fish are kind of in this deep water, looking for the wind to blow the shad over the bait fish over the top of the point. All right, guys, we're going to call it a day. It's been a heck of a day. Rain, cloudy skies, temperatures maybe 74, 75. It's just beautiful. Water temperature is actually 77. Clarity of the water is just 12, 15 feet. I was using crankbaits, topwater, jigs. Like I said earlier, I showed just the ones I showed you earlier, and it was just, I probably got about, I think I wrote down 14 for the day, 14 fish. I got that nice 4.7 smallmouth. I got a nice spotted bass, real nice spotted bass, and then I got a walleye. So It was on fire today. It was a good day. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time.